All right, Jace and I are getting ready to go on an international trip and I'm really, really excited. Today I'm gonna be showing with you what it takes to leave all of our kids behind with grandma and grandpa or a nanny and what we're doing the day before we go. Let's get started. Okay, since today is flight day, I'm trying to get ready, get my hair and makeup done because I'll be flying today and into the next day. Oh, it's gonna be I think I have like 30 hours of flying. So I am preparing all of my things. I'm doing my makeup. This is my makeup travel bag. And then this is all of my toiletries, like hair stuff, face wash, all of the things I need for getting ready. So I'm packing all of that. And I'm also packing my luggage right here. So before I leave, because we're gonna have grandma and grandpa staying in our room, we are washing the bedding first and we're cleaning the house. So Redcliffs got the entrance and living room here. Shay, what are you on?
I've got towel laundry.
Okay, Shay's doing the laundry, good job. Evie is cleaning the kitchen.
I am helping my mom by putting all of her like vitamins in here. That's all. Because when she goes, she needs these vitamins and stuff, yeah. Okay, so for my job is kitchen, and the table is mostly done, pretty much. Just had to move this camera. So this area is good. I washed it and cleaned it as much as possible. The sink is done. The counter's not really, but I've loaded this dishwasher. And I have done this counter. If you ask me, it's pretty good. Pretty done, except just need a sweep and then that's it. Okay, so my job is to get the menu done when Mom and Dad are gone for food. So we got like Kelly this day, Shay, me, cereal, leftovers, tuna and rice, egg and toast. What would you like on your day for breakfast and lunch? Can you write it? Okay, when White's writing that, it's gonna be nice.
All right, I have Jace unpacking the electronics. He's really good at that, especially for the international. So he has compiled all of these items right here so that we are ready.
This is yours, this is mine, but Wyatt is messing it up. There we go, right?
Okay, so we have our international plugs that can do like most countries, which is awesome. A power bank, another extra plug. I have my headphones. Dad's got car ones.
Since I finished all my other stuff that my mom asked me, now it's time for cleaning. And my mom loves a clean house before she comes, or before she leaves. So right now I'm gonna be cleaning.
All right, I gotta finish packing for my international trip, and I'm going to be bringing 3 bottoms and 4 or 5 tops. I just learned that we have a warm day, so I have shorts in pink. These are my favorite flowy pants that can be fancy. They're like great for super cute events or casual things you can put with a t-shirt on top. They're like super comfortable, so whether we're out and about or whatever we're doing, they are perfect. Okay, the next thing I am bringing are these this soft material that could be like workout pants or jogger pants, but they're a jogger fit, but they could be really fancy if you put like a really nice shirt on top. My last bottoms I got from Sense of Style, so cute. They're again another jogger fit, but they're green, kind of thin linen feeling, so they're gonna have like good breeze, good material. They can be sporty looking or they can be dressed up. So I love the flexible outfits. So there are my 3 pants. I think I'm gonna wear this one on the plane, and then I have my shirts. I go for super simple, plain white, plain green. This is like a coral color. And then of course, I love my Ohana shirt. So I'm bringing my Ohana shirt. And then I will bring a light long sleeve jacket that I'll wear on the plane as well. So I like to wear my bulkier items on the plane. Even though this isn't my bulkiest pants. Well, they actually are, but they're not super bulky. I'm gonna wear my joggers on the plane, a simple shirt, and a nice thin long sleeve jacket, and I will be all set for the plane. All right, so this is the outfit I'm gonna be wearing on the plane. Super cute striped shirt from Sense of Style. I'll link everything down below, and the joggers. And then this is my awesome jacket I actually got in Switzerland years ago. I love it. It's like a windbreaker, but warm enough that if it's cold at night with a light breeze, I'll be good, and kind of slick, so if it does rain, if it pours, it won't be good, but if it rains, it'll like repel it. But how cute, this is my plain outfit. Woohoo! All right, we are about ready to go. We're getting close to the edge, so I wanted to go over our schedule. I have this giant whiteboard, which is my favorite thing ever. We've had this for actually like almost 10 years. My brother-in-law made it. It's cool. So I like to put it in the area, and we keep a lot of our points or things that we have to buy, go grocery shopping. But this is a great place where I put my calendar for our nanny or for grandpa or grandma or whoever is gonna be watching our kids. So here we have the menus. So we have the person that's cooking and what they're cooking, so breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and throughout the entire week. And then we have their activities, so piano on Mondays, soccer on Tuesdays, activities on Wednesdays, and then this is where Jace's parents are gonna be coming. Then we have like a soccer game on a Saturday, and then we repeat. So this is gonna cover all of the meals, who's in charge of the meal, as well as like what activities where the kids need to be driven. I like to do this to make sure everybody knows what's going on, as well as the children, not just who's in charge, but as well as the children, so that they know their responsibilities. And we do have it next to the chore wheel. Whoever's in charge can remind the kids to get their chores done. So this is how we have it all put together, yay! All right, we are running around the house crazy, trying to figure out what else needs to be done. I've gone over like schedules and menus and food and cleaning, making sure everything is clean. The grandparents are gonna be staying in our bedroom, so I had to make sure that one's clean. I think we're getting mostly everything done. I've packed. So if you wanna see our packing video, that video is gonna be coming out right after this here on this channel, how we pack for our international trip. And then you'll have to watch the Johanna Adventures channel, which is our travel channel, as we're gonna show you all the cool places that we're going internationally. Okay, we're going on our trip. Big hugs, everybody. Big hugs, group hug. No, just me, okay.
Shaw's like, I want in.
Okay, group hug, Shaw.
Come, Shaw.
Come here, Shaw.
Oh, someone is sweating.
Not me.
Not me.
Not I just showered.
Come here, come here. Aww. All right, putting these babies in good hands. Tyler's gonna take care of them until Grandma and Grandpa come, Tutu and Grandpa come. All right, you guys, are we ready? You gonna be good? You gonna listen?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Fingers crossed. All right, check out our international trips coming up. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.